Mencionar. Mencionar. Mencionar is a Spanish verb that means to bring up. To bring up. To bring something up. Mencionar can mean other things. One of the main meanings of mencionar is to mention, but today we are going to focus on the meaning to bring up. Mencionar can mean to bring up. So let's look at some examples using this verb. The first example is Ella mencionó una gran idea. Ella mencionó una gran idea. This means she brought up a great idea. Let's break this down and let's see how this sentence works. Ella means she. Mencionó, this is the verb right here, the verb we are learning, mencionar. This is in past tense, present tense. Ella mencionó means she brought up. Una means a. Gran can mean quite a few things. In this situation, it means great. Idea means idea. So same spelling, different pronunciation. This is a very simple example. So let's look at the next one. Let's see what we have here. The next example is Él mencionó tu nombre en la conversación. Él mencionó tu nombre en la conversación. This means he brought up your name in the conversation. So this one is not that difficult. This example is quite easy as well. Let's break this down. Él means he. Mencionó, again, very similar to this one here. This is just present tense, past tense. Mencionó means brought up. Okay. And then we have tú means your. With an accent mark, it means you. But without it, means your. Nombre means name. En can mean quite a few things. It can mean in, on, at. In this situation, it means in. Then we have la, the. Conversación. The V sound, remember, it's similar to B as in bell in English. Conversación. And this is a noun, of course. Believe it or not, this is a feminine noun. So that's why we have la conversación, the conversation. Okay? So once again, él mencionó tu nombre en la conversación. He brought up your name in the conversation. So if you want to say to bring up in Spanish, one way to do it is by using the verb mencionar. Okay? So that is very important. We will talk about the other meanings later in the future. So because mencionar can mean quite a few things, so we can talk about that in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave more examples using mencionar. Also, if you like this video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching. Bye. Adios.